Why smart people stay broke and don't even know it. Some of the smartest people I know are still broke. They have degrees, they read books, they work harder than everyone else. But they're trapped. Not because they're lazy, not because they're stupid, but because they were taught the wrong game. And if you don't fix this, you might be next. From the moment we enter school, we're trained to follow instructions. Memorize, repeat, obey, get good grades. Then what? Get a stable job. But notice something. School teaches you how to pass tests, meet deadlines, follow authority. It does not teach you how money actually works, how to build assets, how to invest, how to create income without trading time. Smart people succeed in school, so they believe the same formula works in real life. But real life rewards ownership, not obedience. Here's the biggest illusion. High salary equals success. But if your income stops, does your lifestyle collapse? If yes, you're not wealthy. You're dependent. Smart people get high-paying jobs. Then they upgrade everything. Better car, better apartment, better lifestyle. And suddenly, they need the job more than the job needs them. That's not freedom. That's a well-decorated cage. Smart people analyze everything. They calculate risks. They wait for perfect timing. They overthink every move. Meanwhile, average risk-takers start businesses. Invest early. Learn by failing. Smart people want certainty. But wealth doesn't reward certainty. It rewards calculated risk. And fear often disguises itself as responsibility. I can't start yet. I need more savings. I need more knowledge. No, you need action. There are two types of people, those who work for money and those who own things that make money. Smart employees, wealthy owners. Ownership looks like businesses' investments, equity skills that scale. If you stop working and money still flows, you're playing the right game. If you stop working and everything stops, you're replaceable. That's harsh, but it's true. Smart people think short-term achievement, promotions, raises, recognition. Wealthy people think long-term positioning. Where will this skill be in 10 years? Where will this industry go? What assets compound? The wealthy sacrifice comfort now for leverage later. Smart people chase comfort early and sacrifice leverage. Small difference, massive outcome. Here's the hardest truth. Some smart people stay broke because being the smart one is their identity. They need to be right. But investing requires being wrong sometimes. Business requires uncertainty. Growth requires ego death. And if your identity is tied to always being correct, you'll avoid risk and avoid wealth. You are not behind. You are not incapable. You were simply trained for employment, not ownership. The good news? You can learn it. Learn the real rules of money. Think long-term. Take calculated risks. Build assets. And stop playing a game that was never designed to make you free. If this opened your eyes, subscribe. Because we're not just chasing income, we're building leverage.